Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another short review, also a tutorial about two external microphones which you can use either on your DSLR or mirrorless camera, or if you're using one of these handy recorders. In this case I'm using the Zoom H4N Pro. So first of all, that's the nice small RODE Smartlav for about $55 US. Please make sure to get the adapter as well, because otherwise it doesn't work. This one is available for about $12 US. So in total, $67 US. The other microphone we are having a look at is this one here. That is the Comica CVM-V02C. That's available for about $40 US. Please keep in mind the Comica is using an XLR connection, while the other one is using a 3.5mm audio connection. Here are all the specs side by side. If this goes well too fast for you, please make sure to check out the manufacturer's website or press pause and then continue with this review and tutorial if you have successfully finished reading the specs. So guys, I'm here in Final Cut Pro X10, I guess. If you're using a different program, it shouldn't be any problem. If you're using iMovie or Premiere Pro, should be about the same logic. So I'm here in my folder, as you can see, and what I'm gonna do now is the following. I have taken the audio file from the Zoom H4N into another folder, which is on my external hard drive. And up here is the video clip, which I have taken with my Canon EOS R. So I will let you know what I'm gonna say in this video. Das hier ist das Comica. So as you can see, that one was the audio, also together with the video clip, and that's now the audio from my camera. So down here is the audio from the Zoom H4N recorded with the external microphone. Das hier ist. So what I'm gonna do now is, you see these yellow lines, so the audio file here is now selected. Scroll up to the video clip, which is this one here. Press Command and tap on this one as well. So now you have selected both of them. Right click and synchronize clips. Press OK. And now, as you can see, the clips were synchronized. And now you will see the video taken from the Canon EOS R and the audio taken from the Zoom H4N. Das hier ist das Comic. And that's it. That's as simple as it can be how to synchronize these clips. Hello, I'm the Comica CVM, what's the name? V02C. Once you try to record audio using this external microphone here, please make sure that you set the level to -6 to -12 decibels. At the moment I'm recording using the Zoom H4N Pro Recorder, and the microphone is attached to my hoodie right here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm the RODE Smartlav, now recording using the Zoom H4N Pro Recorder. The mic level is set to 48 instead of 95 using the Comica microphone, and the RODE microphone is set to the same spot as the other microphone. So what do you think about these two microphones? I'll let the final decision up to you. What I think, personally myself, the audio quality is pretty nice using the Comica microphone. You hear a little bit of more background noise, it's a bit more scratchy than using the RODE Smartlav. However, as you have seen, we used almost the highest amount of recording level, which I was able to take using the Zoom H4N, and still, in my point of view, it was still a bit too quiet. It might be that I have done something wrong using the settings of the Zoom H4N. If that is the case, please make sure to post a comment below if you have any further advice on how to solve this issue. Using the RODE Smartlav, I have used only half the recording level and the audio quality was pretty cool in my point of view. So if you have any further questions, please make sure to comment below. You will find all the accessories which I have used to take this review and tutorial in the video description below. All the best from Frankfurt, see you soon und tschüss.